The Pixel 5 has had some notable deals since launch and comes in cheaper than previous Pixel flagship series smartphones. With just one sized model available, it's a smaller flagship that doesn't need any extra bulk or mass, which is why you might want to take a look at a super slim case from MNML, who we've teamed up with to give you a sizable discount on their latest lineup for the Made by Google smartphone, and any other phone on top of that. Thanks for watching 9to5 Google here on YouTube. Remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe, and then tap the bell icon to be among the first to watch our upcoming videos. Make no mistake, the entire MNML case lineup for the Pixel 5 is sleek, clean and classy, but my choice for the Sorter Sage Pixel 5 has been the frosted white, which gives the Pixel 5 a cool stonewashed green tone, plus because the MNML case is just 0.35mm thick, it doesn't add any unnecessary bulk, while also protecting that bio-resin unibody from dirt, grind, scuffs and scratches. If you want to protect your display, all MNML cases play nicely with screen protectors and even other accessories such as smartphone grips. There's also a raised lip around the rear camera bump to ensure it's protected when placing on flat surfaces. The company has made smartphone cases that have been designed specifically with minimalists in mind, or just those that hate adding yet more bulk to their pocket. Every MNML case is ideally suited for those that not only want to protect their prized possession, but don't want to lose functionality and, most importantly, form. You're afforded extra grip and protection against the elements, while another bonus is that in the post-COVID world, you can just remove and disinfect your case without fear of damaging it. MNML by name, MNML by nature too, as all MNML cases are completely branding free so that you're not walking around with an unsightly logo on the back of your device. Despite adding almost no bulk, all MNML cases are incredibly precise with the perfect cutouts for charge ports, sensors, and even that raised lip around the camera bump that ensures the protruding camera notch stays protected and free from scratches, dings and bumps. You can pick up a MNML case for the Pixel 5 in 3 simple colours including frosted white, frosted black and a neat matte black option, all of which are precise and perfectly proportioned to the late 2020 Pixel series. All MNML cases ship in just one business day and are even backed by a 100% money back guarantee if you're not completely satisfied, which we're sure you will be. If you want to pick up one for yourself, you can get 25% off with our simple code 9to5Google for a limited time via the links in the description, and thanks to MNML for sponsoring 9to5Google here on YouTube.